What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another fun-filled Paramotor episode. In this episode, my buddy Judson flew my Scout NXT Factory Edition. Judson is a 17-year-old pilot. He's been flying for about a year now. He weighs around 125 pounds, and he primarily flies a mini plane top 80. That's an 80cc motor, pretty much the smallest displacement engine that you can get. Now, my Scout NXT has a Vittorazzi Moster factory on it. It's 185cc, and it's tuned up past the standard Moster Plus 185. So this thing's got a lot of power. It's got the titanium exhaust, carbon fiber bits, the milled crankcase, and probably puts down about 180 pounds of thrust. We were just at the park one day and I had the NXT out, and I figured it'd be cool to see Judson fly it because he's a skilled pilot and he's very lightweight. So I gave him the keys per se. He took it up for a flight and it was insane. He had tons of climb rate. But before we get into that footage, I want to give you guys one final reminder. Today, July 13th at midnight Eastern Standard Time, is the very end of our Aviator Paramotor training giveaway. For the past month, we've been running this giveaway and it's finally coming to an end tonight. What is the prize at stake? One slot to Aviator Paramotor's November training course down in Lake Wales, Florida. One lucky viewer that will win this prize will get to go down there, train with the guys at Aviator Paramotor, and fly with myself, because I will be there as well. We will film and document the whole thing, post it on YouTube. So how do you enter the giveaway? Any purchase made on tuckergott.com before midnight tonight gets you one entry. As well as that, you have to fill out the second form in the description down below to complete your entry. We did the final restock of the Fly or Die and the Summer Risky Biscuits Edition t-shirts. Final restock. They're not going to be restocked again, so if you like these designs, pick them up now. There's always people that are looking for the designs after they go out of stock, but we're not restocking them. I'm super stoked to finally pick a winner. I can't thank Aviator Paramotor enough for this giveaway prize. One of the upcoming videos will be an announcement of the winner, so make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned for that. And enough with the jibber jabber, let's get into the video. Roll the intro.
You want to turn the helmet on?
Yeah. The left side works better.
Maybe not. You do it. Oh, it feels like there's a dirt bike on my back. Oh, shit. Oh, the top 80 right here. Oh. Wow, this is a lot of thrust. Wow. All right. Let's try to not die.
So Judson's flown a top 80 the majority of his flying career. He's flown the 130 and he's also flown a Nitro 200, but a Nitro 200 doesn't come close to the power of a Moster 185, and this is the 185 factory. So it's like super tuned up and it has a ton more top end. So he's gonna have like more climb rate than most people will ever have.
I'm a little nervous. Let's see. Wow, that's a lot of thrust, man. Wow. All right, 125 pound person. Here we go. All right. Okay, that was weird. Okay. So the lines basically touch the cage on the right side. It's smooth. It's very smooth. Wow. 78's really backed up. Whoa. I feel so out of character. All right. Rolling into full power.
That's probably full power.
Wow, look at that climb rate. That's hideous. All right, let's try some powered turns. So I think it torques right, apparently. Oh, Jesus, man. It goes sideways. All right, let's go left. That's pretty freaking cool. Apparently the normal Scout is better than this for acro. I'm kind of nervous about doing powered stuff. I don't like where the riser sits. Like, it gets really close on power. I think I'm just gonna get a bunch of altitude and try some nice wingovers. It does not take much to get this thing going. This is full power here. Like, this amount of altitude would take probably 5 minutes on the mini plane. Wow. The interesting thing I can see already is that the carabiners are lower. So that means my brake lines are effectively longer. So I'm kind of at that mechanical disadvantage. I think this is a safe altitude to dick off at. Alright, we're at idle. Let's go left. That's right. Oh, that goes big. That's enough of that. Yeah, the weight shift feels weird. It's definitely kind of unnerving. I feel like if I timed it later, I could flick it right over the top with the power, but there's no reserve. It rumbles like... Is that my parents? Oh yeah, that's totally my dad. I'm gonna do a pass on the guys, just at full power. It sounds like an actual airplane, which is cool. It vibrates a lot in the mid-range. Or not the mid-range, like the low, middle, like right here. It's just like, on your back. Oh, what the hell is that? There's a plane over there or something. Oh, there's a freaking sky blender. Right over the hill, there's a sky blender. All right, full power. All right, that's ridiculous.
That just looked unnatural.
I'm definitely getting the sense that we like the stuff we're used to and don't like to change it. And it's not that it's worse or better, it just feels different and my body doesn't really know what to do. Okay. Party time, round 2. So if you just goose the throttle, man, it likes to go. My dad's probably leaving. He hates when I do wingovers. Oh yeah, seat. Oh, that's a non-issue. It just, pinches the balls. All right, let's see if we can't hook land this thing. Engine's killed or committed. I want to come in kind of over here. I'm gonna just scrub a little bit of altitude out of the seat and flare. Beautiful.
Nailed it. If it sounds like a car crash, you're doing it right.
I'd give it a sketch factor of like 8. Climb rate of like 11. Weirdness like 6.5. The weird thing is I talked about this. The carabiner is lower than the mini plane, so my brakes are like down here.
Oh yeah.
So you can't get.
Yeah.
But you just tip it sideways and hit the power. You're just like, whoa.
Yeah. Now you just have to fly a normal Scout and compare the two.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited for that.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't too much power.
Yeah.
It was a lot.
Yeah, I think at times when you were into the wind, you were going out faster than you were going forward.
Yeah, it happens. How did it look when I climbed when I did that pass?
When you were over here, it just looked unnatural. One, because you went up so fast, but two, because you were pointed like east and the wing was pointed west.
There was a sky blunder over there.
Really? Danny Duncan's here. Huge thank you to Judson for taking the time to narrate that whole flight. In the future, I want to do something like this again, but instead of having him fly the NXT, have him fly the normal Scout, which personally I think is better suited for acro flying. The NXT is more driven for cross-country flying, but it'll be cool to see how he likes the normal Scout. Probably do the same sort of thing and get his input throughout the flight. Before we wrap this up, do not forget, today is the final day for the giveaway. Got the freaking Fly or Die and the summer edition Risky Biscuits t-shirts. Make sure you get your entry in for this giveaway. Very soon I will be dropping an episode that releases the name of the winner. They will also be contacted via email. So with that, huge thank you to all of you beautiful people for the support, and we will see you in the next episode, which, by the way, we'll be putting this Fragile box, which is my exhaust, on my Scoutmobile and getting it repaired. Till the next time, peace.